Hello, my name is Adam Oakes. I'm the managing architect of the managed services team here at Planet Technologies. I'm here to share with you this week's play of the week. This week's play of the week is actually something super cool and super new. I know you guys have all been hearing there's tons of new Copilot and AI this and AI that. There's actually a new feature they added to the roadmap that I think is actually pretty swell. So they basically just recently added it, and it's related to actual Teams meetings that you're going through and recording when you have Teams for Copilot enabled. This is set to actually come out in February of this upcoming year, so we really don't even have to wait that long. But what's going to happen is if you have Teams for Copilot enabled and are recording a meeting, now when users actually share content through the Teams meeting on their screen, so let's say I am presenting in the meeting and I share my screen and I'm showing a diagram or I'm showing a PowerPoint presentation that I'm going through or a Word document, AI is actually going to allow the system itself to analyze the content being shared, even if it's not provided in the meeting itself. This will then go through and be included in the summary and the details information that you get post the meeting as the AI Copilot summary and allow you to have more information to just proactively get more out of your meetings. This is actually super cool, guys. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of investment going on from the AI world. I personally, the one part of Copilot I really use heavily myself right now is the meeting recap. And the fact that it's going to actually be able to flex and use some of the power of AI to actually interpret and provide information about what's shared in the meeting and include that in the recap, that's actually super cool and something that I saw that I was a little nerded out when I saw it and thought it was really fun. This has been your play of the week. I'm sure we'll see a ton of more AI and Copilot stuff coming this year. For now, everyone stay warm out there. I know it's cold through most of the US this week, and thanks for joining.